So I'm gonna do something a little bit different. I'm gonna go through some gimmicky or odd things that I have done to my Charger Hellcat Redeye that most people probably do not like or do not approve of, but I love. So one of the things that gets seen all the time and actually discussed is the jewel in the Redeye. Yes, I could have done reflective tape and that would have been just as awesome as ever, but I want to be different. So boom, you get a jewel. And why not? Because there's a jewel in that eye. Come on, it seems obvious. Number two is something that most people don't see because it's on the interior. It is a little bit more difficult to see. It's my little toy car that matches my car. And yeah, it kind of swivels as you steer. How cool is that? And yes, I painted that myself. That's why it doesn't look great. 3, while we're in the interior, I'll go ahead and show you something else. Nobody ever points this out, nobody ever sees it unless you're sitting in it, and then they don't really understand it unless, if you know, you know. It's this little cross here. Does that not look like somebody's cross that hung around the Charger? The next thing, it's really early in the morning and I hate to do this, but I want to make this video. I need to wait. I should just wait to do this. I'm gonna wait until later and hopefully I remember to videotape that. All right, so here's something that I meant to shoot in Metropolis, but it was kind of early in the morning and I didn't want to wake everybody up. That's right. And I'm gonna say probably the final thing that, in my mind, it's one of the things that draws the majority of people to the car because it just kind of, it catches them off guard and it's very, very different. Okay, well, there's 2 in 1, but here. The wheels is 1, and check out that awesome Hellcat center cap. And then the spike lug nuts is 2. So that's kind of a 2 for 1, I guess, because a lot of people don't think spike lug nuts look good on anything, not just the cars, but I like it. I think it looks cool. I think it's different and it's unique. And they're painted to match. Yay. All right, final thing, and this is only one time a year, pretty much every year as long as I come to the Superman celebration in Metropolis, Illinois. I always put this on the hood of my car. The car's name, The Blur. If you're a Smallville fan, you know. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the 5 ridiculous things that I've done to my car that I love. If you see something that you don't like, tell me. I won't care, but you can tell me. Boom. God bless from Metropolis, Illinois, Superman Celebration 2026.